I sent you the challenge, Akshat. You're from which city? I already sent you. It's you just check out in your. Oh, great! Amchi Mumbai. Uh, can you just check out in your account if you found the link? Yeah. Okay. You're not playing much games. I see you're having 600 rating. Okay, let me play the move. Otherwise, it will get abort. So you are joined in March 26, 2021, and so far only 8 games. Okay. Okay, you have accepted the Queen's Gambit. But guys, from yesterday it is not going me the good games. Not good time. From yesterday I was losing so many games with the even low rated. That to be yesterday I lost against 600 rated player because of not having proper uh, sleep and all because of some work going on here. Okay, so he has played the f5, which is interesting one, Chigorian variation. So what do you suggest here? Let me. Yeah, that will be blunder because of the capture. I can capture back anyway. Okay, let's just push the pawn further. I have just lost 1 minute, guys. Okay, yeah, no problem. See, if you see my video or the streams, I'm used to play with all the things, and I'm not the professional player. So just to tell you, I'm just learning here, and from last year I started playing the chess, and from there, I got a chance to explore more on chess side, and apparently, I think the 2 months back, I think 1 or 1.5 months back, I have decided to spread the chess as much as possible. So I'm not the professional player, so I'm okay with anything. So that's cool move. Can I go? Just let us see. Just capture. So it's going to be, my motive of the channel is to just, spread chess as much as possible. So see what is the move here. I can go to block it. Mm, okay, just go on to F1. So just to keep king on to the center. Yep, I could have gone over there with captures, but anyway, let's see. So Akshat, your native language is Marathi or and yeah, that is. I'm not asking about new. I'm asking about your like. Okay, yeah, yeah. Great. I'm also Marathi. I'm also speak Marathi only at home. तो कसा आहेस मित्रा? मुंबईमध्ये कुठे चेंबूरला असतो का? ओके. ओके. मी कधी मुंबईला आलो नाही. या ओके, कल्याण. नाईस नाईस. ओके. There is a Dela between your stream and chat. Dela? What do you mean by Dela actually? Just trying to understand what exactly you're saying about. Hey, just play. You are very low on time. It's 25-second left. Uh, Not delay actually. Stream is always delayed than the what we can say. It's because of what you're blundering the piece. Queen blunder. Okay. Yep. Check it's possible now. Are you trying something else? I don't know. You should have captured back the piece, Akshat. But anyway, you are knowing the rules and all, so that is good thing. Okay. Uh, yeah, now it's a mate. So thank you so much, Akshat, for playing with me. It's a great game. Not I would say, but you made some good moves. Let me just go back to the report, and we can have quickly. Yeah, actually, while playing, you should have focused on game, not onto the chat. I'm okay with it, and even though I'm just here to spread the chess, so I'm not thinking much about how many followers or how many viewers are there, but I'm here to play with the viewers, and also that will be giving me the good learning and new contacts. So that feels me great. So that is the thing. So let's quickly do what was the miss from your end. So I don't know why you played this F5 move, but you know all chess rules and all. So okay, no problem. You can leave. Thank you. I'll be doing quick analysis here. So capture would have been possible, but I just said let it be. Just push the pawn further, and later on you given me the one pawn and just captured. Yeah, I can block it actually. Then you needs to capture, or if you go back to capture, that will be MVP. So I missed this calculation. That is one thing, and later on I was just trying to win the pieces back, and here you have just given me the queen. I don't understand, and another piece, and then you were just winning the rook. You didn't capture here, and you just pushed the pawn further. After this, I said let it be. If you're capturing, no problem, and there was nothing left after that. Anyway, thanks for playing, Akshat. So move on.